How to find a qualified buprenorphine doctor
near you.
In the ongoing battle against opioid addiction, finding a qualified buprenorphine doctor can be a lifeline for individuals seeking effective treatment and recovery. This video guides you through the essential steps to help you locate a qualified buprenorphine doctor near you to achieve a healthier, opioid-free life. Buprenorphine is a medication commonly used in the treatment of opioid addiction. It's unique because it's an opioid partial agonist, binding to the same receptors in the brain as opioids. Buprenorphine is one of the two active ingredients of Suboxone, a medication for opioid addiction treatment. Combined with naloxone, an opioid antagonist that blocks the effects of opioids, it becomes highly effective in managing opioid addiction. However, it produces less euphoria and physical dependence compared to other opioids. Buprenorphine is a game-changer in treating opioid addiction. It offers several benefits. Buprenorphine helps alleviate the physical and psychological discomfort often associated with opioid withdrawal, allowing individuals to recover more comfortably. Buprenorphine eliminates the rollercoaster highs and lows associated with other substances, making long-term sobriety more attainable. Moreover, the accessibility of buprenorphine treatment through health insurance coverage and telehealth services ensures that more people can seek help and start their recovery journey. Now, let's get to the details of finding the right qualified buprenorphine doctor near you. Here are some steps to help you in your search. First, ask your primary care physician or a trusted doctor for recommendations. They may know qualified buprenorphine providers in your area. Next, visit online directories like the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration, SAMHSA, the American Society of Addiction Medicine, ASAM, and SuboxoneDoctor.com to find certified buprenorphine doctors near you. Remember to ask for recommendations from friends, family, or support groups with addiction treatment experience. You can also contact your local addiction treatment centers, clinics, or hospitals for experienced buprenorphine doctors on staff or reputable specialists in your area. If you have health insurance, contact your provider to inquire about in-network buprenorphine doctors. Always verify their credentials, ensuring they are licensed, board-certified, and have experience in addiction medicine or opioid addiction treatment. During your consultation, ask questions to gauge their expertise and approach to treatment. Inquire about their treatment plan, office policies, and how they address any potential concerns or side effects of buprenorphine. Lastly, consider the doctor's location for convenience, as regular follow-up appointments are often necessary during buprenorphine treatment. Let's talk about the crucial role that buprenorphine doctors play in managing opioid use disorder. These specialized healthcare professionals are trained to provide comprehensive care to individuals struggling with addiction. They prescribe and monitor buprenorphine use, conducting thorough assessments to determine the appropriate dosage and duration of treatment for each patient. Additionally, they provide essential education and support, helping individuals understand addiction, manage cravings, and prevent relapse. If you're feeling overwhelmed in your search for a qualified buprenorphine doctor, remember that SuboxoneDoctor.com is here to help. We can connect you with suitable buprenorphine doctors specializing in treating opioid addiction. With the proper support and treatment, you can overcome opioid addiction. Visit SuboxoneDoctor.com and take that first step toward reclaiming your life from opioid addiction.